Hi beautifuls, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am back with another makeup video. So for today's video I want to recreate a makeup look that I found on Pinterest. This makeup look is from Lara from KATSEYE. When I first saw this look on her, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so freaking gorgeous, and I knew I had to try and recreate it. Her makeup specifically is so bold and so eye-catching. I really wonder how it would look on me. And if I'm not mistaken, the same person who did her makeup look in this picture is the same person who does Zara Larson's makeup. I love the color. I love that there's like rhinestones. This is kind of just like screaming my name, and now I have to do it. So I'm ready to start this makeup look, so I'm gonna go ahead and makeup. Okay, so looking at this makeup, the first thing that really catches my eye is the eyebrows. So let's try and see if we can get my eyebrows looking similar. Do you guys hear that? As soon as I started recording, it just started raining outside. To start these brows, I'm just gonna take this Milani Weekend brow, and I almost dropped it. She's got like these like arched angular brows, so I'm just gonna try and do that really quick. As I'm brushing this out, it's just raining so freaking hard outside. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Next up, I want to clean up this brow work, so I'm just going to take this Maybelline. Dropped it. What is wrong with me today? Just going to take this Maybelline Super Stay Concealer. I'm going to carve my brows to make them look nice. Okay guys, I did some shaping up with some concealer, and here's how the eyebrows are looking now. We cannot forget the eyebrow slit that Lara has. I'm gonna take some concealer and I'm gonna do a tiny eyebrow slit like right here. Okay, boom, that looks cute. Now it's time to do what actually attracted me to this makeup look in the first place, the eyeshadow. So let's see what I can do. I'm gonna use this Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, and look at all the colorful colors in here, and this color looks perfect. For the eyeshadow, I just kind of followed this wing shape like this. Let's go ahead and work on the other eye. Okay, boom. I'm really loving how the eyes are looking right now. Let's go ahead and continue on with the rest of the makeup. I'm going to prime my face with this Hydra Grip primer that I use. Just put this primer on everywhere, and then I can rub it into my face. And for foundation, I'm going to be using my MVP foundation, the Maybelline Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation. I'm really into matte makeup looks right now, so this is what I have been using. Take my foundation brush, and then I'm going to blend out all this makeup. Now that the foundation is all blended out, we can work on the concealer on my chin and on my forehead, and I'm also going to put some on my nose. But of course, the contour that I use is this Fenty Beauty contour. I'm just going to take a smaller brush and use that to do our nose contour today. So we're going to be doing some snatch nose contour today. It is time to powder our face with some translucent NYX HD powder. Okay, here's how my face is looking right now. Now I actually want to bake underneath my eyes. I feel like Lara does have pretty bright under eyes in that picture, so I'm going to try and do that. Just gonna bake underneath my eyes like this. Gonna wait a couple minutes, and then I can brush all this off. Okay, I think this is looking pretty good. I have this NYX Buttermelt bronzer, and I'm just gonna use this to bronze my face. This might be an unpopular opinion, but I feel like I honestly prefer bronzer than contour. I'm a very warm toned girl, and Laura's blush placement is very like angular on the cheekbones, and I have this NYX Buttermelt blush and I'm going to use, and right where I had that bronzer I'm going to put some blush. Now it is time to actually work on the eyes. The thing that makes Laura's makeup pop, her eyeliner is so bold and so beautiful. I'm getting tired of looking at this nose with no highlighter, so I'm going to use this NYX Jumbo Highlighter Stick. Some right here, some up here. Now guys, it is time for the rest of the eyes. So in this picture, Lara has an amazing wing on her eyes. So I'm going to use this e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. Now I'm going to put on some lashes to really bring some attention to our eyes. Boom, look at that. Now that we have the lashes on, it is time for that iconic lip combo. So I'm going to use some brown, black, and of course this NYX Butter Gloss. Just going to put some lip gloss on to make it all glossy. Now guys, I did not forget about the sparkly part. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with these rhinestones that I have. Just going to dab some little glue drops where I want the rhinestones. Here's the rhinestones all on the eyes. This makeup look is done. be looking like Laura from KATSEYE with this. I love how the eyes look with the sparkle. I tried to recreate this as accurately as I could, and I think it turned out pretty well. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, because I think this is so cute. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment what other videos I should do in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone!